gonna say to Patrick Quezon, just understand with Franco Morales. You know, for me, when I did to Luis Cabales and David Gill, I know David Gill did not sue against me. Even Luis Cabales, thank God they didn't sue against me. Oh, they didn't file the cases against me for cyberbully, for cyber libel, death threat, from when I make a bomb joke in Santa Maria de Estrada. You know, Franco, you know, Patrick Quezon, just understand with Franco Morales. I understand with Franco Morales, you know, when I made this in my YouTube video, oh, it's just like David Gill. Franco Morales is the David Gill 2.0. Oh, I know. I never called David Gill abnormal. I apologize, David Gill. David Gill, if you're watching this, I'm sorry that I call you abnormal. I know my brother put me a restriction because I know I never want to do this to you. Because I know you're the one who set me up to ruin what is that, the art of Cedric Mariano, when Dan Mardayo angry at me. At least I will never make fake account. At least look at Cedric Mariano and Dan Mardayo. They understand with Roylan. Me, I understand with Roylan Marlang. Oh, I understand. You know, Patrick Quezon. You have to understand with 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 Franco Morales, because you know Franco is doing lots of things that he's a doctor. Oh, he's really a doctor. Doctor yan, like I said. Wag mo kasi awayan si Franco Morales. You know, me, 5 years, I never communicate with Franco Morales. Oh, when we are actually communicate each other, when we have online reunion, Franco Morales is just like David Gill. Oh, he's very kind at me. Oh, he's just like Wawel Romero. He's very kind at me. Oh, do not describe, for example, that Franco Morales is like David Gill, or Manuel Luis Antonio is just like Wawel Romero. Just leave them alone. Don't curse them with the F word. You know, this is what I said. Me, I have been close friends with Franco Morales. I tell the whole story was when I was kicked out in CDIFI because of teacher Alexandra Pagkalinawan, Ate Mel Canete, even Ate Emily, even Ate Mel Canete, or including Ate Dina Guillermo, oh, they really kicked me out. Even teacher Junin Bactad kicked me out also. Oh. Even teacher Marisa, the former friend of teacher May, who already kicked me out. Oh, I know this is my consequence. And it will never be happen. Because me, when I studied there in CDIFI, I was kicked out. Oh. Because I know my dad had contact with teacher May that I already stopped studying. Oh. We don't have money for the school. Oh, I want to enroll in St. Joseph, the school of Giardino, to meet Teres Clemente. Oh. Or I can enroll in what other school I remember? Oh. I can enroll in other sped school. Oh. In ILCC, or the school of Ronald Rebena. Or what school of Stefan Pimentel I mentioned, St. Joseph. I know I can't enroll there. Oh, I would like to enroll in other school. Oh, there's the school of Stefan Pimentel. Oh, I could enroll there in Gardner College because I never learned about computer. Oh, JD Biniegas want to teach me how to use computer. Oh, don't do that to Franco Morales. Patrick Quezon. Franco Morales is just like JD Vinegas. Huwag mo siya awayin, inaaway mo kasi si Franco Morales. That's why, Patrick, he calls you makulit. Oh, he's just like Wawel Romero. Oh, you're so makulit. Oh, that's why I say to you, don't call Franco Morales racist and don't call him negatives. That's why Luis Cabales doesn't like negatives. Oh, you need to apologize to Franco Morales. Patrick Quezon, I say again, if your parents died, who will taking care of you? Don't do that to Franco Morales. Franco Morales, I said it. I say again, Patrick Quezon, pag nawala ng magulang mo, like I said, if your parents died, who will taking care of you? Nobody. Nobody to taking care of you. Look at Tito Mac. Tito Mac had cheated with his wife. Because I know his ex-wife is Tita May. Not Teacher May Tiburcio. Tita May. May. That was Tito Mac's ex-wife. He got divorced. And now, you see what happened to Tita Risa. They did not reconcile with Tito Mac. When they never see Ella, Aris, even Gabi, even Arion, hindi na sila nakikita. Like I said, Patrick Quezon, if you're watching this, you have to understand with Franco Morales. I never want to fight with Manuel Luis Antonio. When I told to Jardino, Manuel Luis Antonio invited me in the Manila Film Festival or Metro Manila Film Festival last 2023. I was grounded in Facebook. I say to Manuel Luis Antonio, my former friend, I could not attend because I was in Japan trip in Osaka with my family. And I say to Manuel Luis Antonio, he understands me. Patrick Quezon, don't be such in trouble. You need to respect them. You have to apologize to Franco Morales and don't call him racist. He's a doctor. Even I say again, Patrick Quezon, you remember Manuel Luis Antonio? He has a brother who's a lawyer named Nico, named Jericho Antonio. Jericho Antonio was also lawyer. He might get sue against you, just like what happened to me when I got sued by David Gill and his family. When I learn how to apologize when I make my YouTube video, I apologize to David Gill. It will never be happen again, and I have to be responsible in social media like Facebook. Patrick Quezon, be more responsible. Just listen to Teacher May Tiburcio, what she said, even Ate Rona. Ate Rona and Teacher May Tiburcio, both of them, they just like Franco Morales. Have you ever seen that Franco Morales is just like Teacher May? He's very kind. Because I know Franco Morales is a doctor. You should not bully Franco. Because unlike I said, just like I said, I know I was kicked out in CDIFI for what I did to David Gill. For what I did to Teacher May Tiburcio. I caused lots of trouble. Because I know, unlike you, Patrick Quezon, I said before, I just want to tell the story. I want to threaten to destroy CDIFI. I will burn that t-shirt of CDIFI. Oh, because I really hate that school. It's abnormal school. I was kicked out. That's why Teacher Evelyn kicked me out. Oh, for what I did to them. This is really, for example, I say to Patrick Quezon, just apologize to Franco Morales. Don't be such saying bad words, and don't call Manuel Luis Antonio and and Franco Morales an F word. Just leave them alone. It's simple. Move on from them. Oh. You forcing me to provoke Manuel Luis Antonio, and you call him a racist. How would you ever call Manuel Luis Antonio racist? How come Manuel Luis Antonio pretends as a president of the Philippines, or pretending himself as a flight attendant? He's really just like me, alright? Manuel Luis Antonio is making lots of role play. He's just like me. His attitude, I described it Franco Morales at the time. He's just like me. Oh, I understand Franco Morales and even Manuel Luis Antonio. And I don't want to fight with Luis. Not Luis Cabales, Luis Antonio. Oh. Because Manuel Luis Antonio invited me in Metro Manila Film Festival. Oh, he's just like similar of who is it? He's just like similar of my sister, or named Charis, or inviting me somewhere. Or, yeah, I cannot invite. I offer to Manuel Luis Antonio. I cannot go outside because I have a family trip. Oh, it's simple. I asked Manuel Luis Antonio, compare, like I did to Teacher May. Oh, when I attend the Christmas party, I say to Teacher May, Teacher May, I said to her, I couldn't attend the Christmas party in your old school, in CDIFI. Kasi pupunta kami sa Osaka, Japan. Like, hindi ako makakapunta sa Christmas party. Because I know I will never attend Christmas party. Oh, a Teacher May Tiburcio understand. While Manuel Luis Antonio understand me that I will not attend the Christmas party. I mean, not Christmas party. I mean, Metro Manila Film Festival in the parade. He wants to offer me to meet Jericho Antonio, that actor. I couldn't attend because recently I would not like to attend. Alright, I would not like to attend. I apologize to everyone when I cause lots of angry, even to Teacher May, even Ate Rona. Oh, you know, I understand with Ate Rona and Teacher May. Oh, I understand with Manuel Luis Antonio and Franco Morales, four of them. Oh, you know, Patrick Quezon, don't be such a bully, and don't bully Franco Morales. Franco Morales is very kind. He's a doctor. Just respect his privacy. Unlike him, he's just like a doctor compared to Dr. Mimi Avendaño, compared to Dr. Conducto. Oh. What if Franco Morales is a psychological doctor? Oh. You should not criticize Franco. Franco Morales and I, we are friends. Oh, we are just saying we have online reunion. Oh, when we never see each other from pandemic to after pandemic. Let's stop this fight. You know, unlike I say to you, Patrick Quezon, unlike I heard that from Capitana Salonga, she said to me, she lecture, you know, Capitana Salonga had told to Roylan Marlang to lecture Dan Mardayaw and Cedric Mariano to not to fight with Kuya Rodelio Daguman. I'm just saying, unlike that, when Capitana Salonga says to me, oh, I know this is my reality, that I never bully David Gill, or I should leave David Gill alone. Oh, when I leave David Gill alone, I call them abnormal, I call him stupid, I call Paula Nunez, you can't even brush your teeth. What is that? Stupid, or you can't even brush your teeth. I called to Paula Nunez. I know I was being kicked out by CDIFI. Oh, you want to be happen to yourself, Patrick Quezon? Patrick Quezon, I say to you, respect Manuel Luis Antonio and Franco Morales. Just leave them alone. Oh, just leave them alone. It's simple. Because I know I've been talk with Jerick Silva. Inaaway mo pala si Manuel Luis Antonio at si Patrick Quezon at si sino pa, like I said, inaaway mo pa si Franco Morales. It's not good to fight. Just learn them how to respect. Oh. Because it's really misunderstanding. You know, Patrick Quezon, it's really misunderstanding. You're just like similar to me. I know I have lots of misunderstanding. I know I was kicked out in CDIFI. I've been told by by Ate Mel Canete. I was blacklisted. I labeled the CDIFI abnormal. Oh. I was blacklisted. I was telling the truth. I was kicked out. I've never studied there. Because I know Teacher May says to me, you have to stop studying, you're already overage, wag ka na mag-aral, at least I gave a letter to Teacher May. I'm not to say to my dad also message Teacher May. I'm the one who gave a letter to Teacher May that I will no longer to study in CDIFI because I was grounded. I was blacklisted. I was expelled. I was expulsion in CDIFI because for what I did. So I asked Patrick Quezon, don't bully Franco Morales. Just understand Franco.